Hello viewers and followers of the Predator Hunting channel. We brought you a video titled Critical Moments Between the Hunter and the Prey, Part 1. The hunters, after hours of follow-up, traced the lion's footsteps. They were able to locate the lion, and they started preparing for hunting the lion. Watch the replay carefully. Watch the lion's strength and how he was able to withstand the arrow strike and his speed in decision-making. The hunter shot the arrow at the lion, but the arrow strike was not fatal. The lion, after being hit by an arrow, would not surrender without a fight. The hunter's bodyguard intervenes quickly and shoots at the lion, missing the first shot. But he was able to hit him in the second.